Hello, my name is Leo from TLab. Today we are at European Space Expo at Zagreb, capital of Croatia. And now I will ask one assistant in this expo. Would you be so kind and tell us please a few basic information about the European Space Program and this expo?
Okay, so actually this expo is about the European Space Program. Okay? So the two main European Space Programs are Galileo and Copernicus. Galileo is a global satellite navigation program, like GPS. Okay, this is a European GPS, and Copernicus is an Earth observation program. So you have satellites in space looking at Earth and measuring different things to know more about the health of the Earth, climate change, environment, etc. So this exhibition explains those programs, okay? And also the most important, they explain why they are useful, okay? For what purpose you can use satellite data from the satellites, okay? So, for example, in for Galileo application, you know, like GPS application, etc. We are using positioning and navigation data for transport. The most basic application is car navigation. Everybody has a navigation receiver in his car, yes, to know the way. Okay, but GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, are also used in agriculture, for example, or in finance. They are also useful for timing and synchronization purpose, like in finance or banking, stock exchange, etc. You use the GPS time and in a few years Galileo time to synchronize the transaction, etc., etc. So this expo explains the main application of GNSS, like Galileo, GPS, GLONASS, etc. And after you have the Copernicus program. Okay, so the Copernicus program, you will have different satellites with different captor, radar captor, for example. You can see here at the front of the Expo a Sentinel-1 satellite, which is actually radar satellites. So with the radar satellites, you can see through the cloud, for example. You will have also other kind of sensor, like typical video camera, etc., etc. And all of these allow to measure different things on Earth. So, for example, you can measure the sea temperature. Okay. You can also follow the stream on the sea, and so with that you are able to monitor the climate change, etc. You can also use Earth observation data for agriculture, fisheries, emergency management. For example, if you have a big disaster like a tsunami or an earthquake, thanks to Copernicus, you can take a picture of the disaster area, and this will be useful for the emergency team because emergency team have at their disposal the usual map, but after a tsunami or an earthquake, you have nothing else. So you need an updated map to see which way you can take to help people, etc. So this expo is about that. So the two main space program and Galileo and Copernicus and their application. Why they are so useful? What are their benefits for the European citizen, etc., etc.